You ever feel like your mind is just too loud? Too many thoughts, too many expectations, too many emotions you don't know what to do with. Sometimes, life gets heavy, and your brain doesn't come with a reset button. But what if you could learn how to reset it yourself? Let's talk about that. The first step to resetting your mind isn't doing something. It's noticing something. You are overwhelmed, and that's okay. Being overwhelmed doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. We live in a world that constantly asks for more. More speed, more results, more attention. But your brain? It's not a machine. It's a living, breathing part of you, and it gets tired. So the reset begins with this simple thought: I don't have to hold it all right now. Take a deep breath. Seriously. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Let go. Just a little. You're not here to fix everything today. You're just here to breathe. Now that you've acknowledged the weight, let's talk about how to set it down. The world is loud. Even when you're alone, your phone is buzzing, your to-do list is shouting, your mind is racing. Try this for a few minutes today. Disconnect. No phone, no talking, no input. Just silence. Sit in it. Not to punish yourself, but to meet yourself. In silence, you'll notice things. Maybe how tense your shoulders are. Maybe how much your thoughts are repeating the same fears. Maybe how tired your soul feels. Let those things be seen. And then, let them pass. Like clouds in the sky. You don't have to chase them. Just watch them drift. Okay, you've acknowledged the storm. You've stepped out of the noise. Now comes the most powerful part: choosing what comes next. You don't reset your mind by running away. You reset it by choosing what to let in. Ask yourself, what do I really need right now? Not what I should do, but what would genuinely help me feel grounded? Maybe it's a walk in nature. Maybe it's journaling without a filter. Maybe it's just drinking water and lying in silence. Small things, quiet things, things that remind your mind, you are safe now. And here's a secret most people never learn. You don't need to fix your whole life today. You just need to come back to yourself, right now. If life feels too heavy right now, that doesn't mean it will always be this way. Storms pass. Mind's clear. And the version of you who feels calm and focused, they're not gone. They're just waiting. Waiting for you to slow down, to listen, to return. So give yourself that permission today. Not because you've earned it, but because you deserve it as a human being. Your mind is not broken. It's just tired. Let it rest. Let it breathe. Let it reset. And tomorrow, you'll feel just a little bit lighter. If this helped you feel a little calmer, save it. Come back to it whenever the noise gets too loud. And if you want more moments like this, you know where to find them. You're not alone.